Well, that's absolutely true, Grace. I just want to give my condolences to the Bailey family. My late brother Willie, Wilfredo was also a Union steamfitter, so it's close to home. Also, I have two kids that take the subway every day. I've taken it 1,000 times myself. The mayor is right and he's wrong. He's right in that historically crime is down, Grace, but government's number one job is not only to keep citizens safe, it's to keep people feeling safe. It is the perception that you go into the subway and you take your life in your hands.
Huh. That's new.
That kind of still roam.
Whoa! Is that a new Pokemon from Scarlet and Violet?
They scare people.
Oh yeah,
Much more aggressive.
it is!
Law enforcement. Where are the guardian angels from days of yore, Curtis Lewa, and the guys with their berets and their red jackets? I want to see that. I want to see more good guys on the subway. It makes people feel that the subway is the artery of the city.
This guy is one of the new additions for Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. Tonight's we're gonna draw Belibolt from Scarlet and Violet.
And I want to put this up on the screen because you talk about it, and there's this perception of crime. It's more than a perception; it is a visceral feeling. Look at this. This is from Quinnipiac. In your opinion, what is the most urgent issue facing New York State today? It's not the economy, Geraldo. It is crime at 28%. That means it's 40% higher than the inflation topic.
This new guy is one of the new Pokemon for Scarlet. This new guy is one of the new electric type Pokemon for Scarlet and Violet. Last time I saw him was on footage with an electric type gym leader. Hopefully he'll evolve into something that's kind of like Seismitoad. Hopefully. Maybe he'll evolve into something bigger. Like, well, sort of a metallic frog, like one of those Metarex guys. Anyways, there he is, that's Belibolt. And stay on the lookout for more of these new Scarlet and Violet Pokemon. Comes out on November 19th. I'll get the chance to get it, and hopefully there will be a new footage real soon. Hopefully there will be new Pokemon. Hopefully there will be a new evolved form for the terrestrializing. Don't want it to be boring like Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl.